Message à la nation. Taisez-vous, le président va parler. Taisez-vous, laissez pas trois.
Press release regarding Sweet Micky. The band. For the past 22 years I have had the pleasure of providing my adored fans with bon konpa. Therefore it is with great regret that I announce the discontinuance of the Sweet Micky band. As of Friday, August 20, 2010, the CEP has approved my candidacy for President of Haiti and I will be officially running for office. In order to allow myself the time to focus on my campaign to improve our beloved Ayiti Cherie, I wish to request your understanding in regards to the end of the Sweet Micky band performances. To all my wonderful fans and to all those who supported Sweet Micky throughout the years, I extend my gratitude and appreciation. I truly love you all and look forward to your support in my presidency. Thank you.